Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the magnitude comparator. Magnitude of binary numbers. So let us start with the block diagram of simple magnitude comparator IC7485. Now this is basically a 4-bit magnitude comparator which has got two inputs where you can say input A and input B. Now you must be thinking that I have drawn two broad arrows or the bus arrows for the inputs and only single arrows, the orange one, for the outputs. There are three different outputs. So let us start one by one. So as I said, IC7485 is a 4-bit magnitude comparator. So it is taking the inputs A and B as a 4-bit number. So there will be 4 bits for A0, A1, A2, A3. As for B, B0, B1, B2 and B3. So it is particularly a 4-bit binary number A and 4-bit binary number B. Their magnitude is compared. Now what do you mean by magnitude? What are the bits corresponding to A0, B0 or A1, B1, A2, B2 or A3, B3? So that are corresponding to the weight 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. That is nothing but 1, 2, 4, 8. Now these bits are having the weight according to which their decimal position is fixed. Decimal position for A, since it is a 4-bit, so decimal positions will be varied from 0 to 15, so as that for B. So we will compare the magnitude of these bits. So there are 4 different numbers for A and 4 different numbers for B. That's why there is a bus for the input, and single output we will get either A is less than B, or it is equal to B, or A is greater than B. So this kind of 3 single input positions you will get. If your number is larger than 4 bits, then the cascade inputs are required. So these are the cascade inputs through which the next set of or the previous set of 4 bits of A and B are compared, and based on the logic of the cascade input and the combinational circuit between A and B, the output Y1, Y2, Y3 is obtained. That is nothing but a simple operation of magnitude comparator. So this IC will be comprising of combinational logic between input A and B. So this is all about your magnitude comparator. So in this presentation we will see the 1-bit magnitude comparator and 2-bit magnitude comparator. So let us move to the 1-bit magnitude comparator where A and B are the single bit inputs. So let us start with 1-bit magnitude comparator. So we have got two inputs A and B, which has got only two values, 0 or 1. So let me fill up this table. Let us fix the number A to 0. So if A is kept at 0, B can take two values, 0 or 1. Similarly, when A is kept 1, B can take two values, once again 0 and 1. So these are the 4 valid combinations between A and B. Okay. So when I keep A as 0, it means the magnitude of A is 0. When I going to keep A as 1, the magnitude of A is 1, and I am comparing magnitude of A 0 with magnitude of B 0 or 1, and again magnitude of A, that is 1, compared with B magnitude 0 or 1. So for the first case where A and B are both 0, so it will give us the output A equals to B, and both the outputs Y1 and Y3 will be 0. Whereas in the second case where A is 0 and B is 1, so B is greater than A, so output Y1 will be present, rest of the two outputs will be 0. Third case A1, B0, A is greater than B, that is 0, so A is greater than 1, that will show the output, that is nothing but output Y3, rest of the two will be 0. And for the last one, once again A and B are equal, so output here will be present, Y1 and Y3 will be 0. So if you will solve the K-map, 2-bit K-map or 2-variable K-map for Y1, Y2 and Y3, you will get Y1 as, here no need to solve the K-map because only one output is present for the Y1, that is for combination 0, 1. So Y1 I can directly write down as Y1 is equal to A bar B y2 will be equal to, there are two combinations. First one is a bar into b bar plus last one is ab. So this is nothing but the XNOR logic between a and b. So I will simply write down a XNOR with b. And for y3 finally, again a single state output is present for a and b bar, so this will be a b bar. You can also implement these three outputs. That is nothing but the combinational logic, what I said in the block diagram. This is the combinational logic. This is nothing but logic in between inputs a and b. So we will perform the same operation here to get the implementation, or what is the actual logic inside the comparator 7485. So this is how you can implement the combinational logic between inputs a and b. So this is the final implementation of 1-bit magnitude comparator.